Hi, in this video series I am going to show you how I create multiple content pieces from one single source of video. This is going to be documentation of my journey, and this is not content creation but content multiplying. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I write my main content and then how I repurpose it to different platforms. So I have multiple content pieces and how the ContentFries fit into this whole mix of content creation. So I'm going to speak with my not very good English, so I hope you will understand me, and let's get to it. So as you can see here, I have this video written word for word, and it's basically this piece of content. Is 4 minutes 41 seconds long, and it's about how to publish English content as a non-native speaker. And in this video, I'm talking, and it's practically a show with Anthony, and Anthony is voice. It's his voice based upon Amazon Poly platform, and we are talking to each other and sharing some stuff. And this is practically it. This scenario was proofreaded, so it should be without any kind of errors, and I'm pretty aware to use it as transcript and put it on my blog. So practically what I do is I record this show, and these 4 minutes 41 seconds took me like 7 minutes to record. Then I edit it and put Anthony in the show and let the Amazon Poly platform be as his voiceover. And this Amazon Poly thing will be a functionality or in the ContentFries in the future. So it's going to be a feature in the ContentFries. But practically, what I'm doing is, as you can see, I have this video, and now I can get this video and share it on my WordPress blog. So I can get through share this snippet, and what I do is copy it and paste it here as the HTML, or I can just get this URL address of this video and put it in here, and WordPress is going will do its magic and behind the scenes paste embed the video for me. So I can get rid of this, and in the title I'm going to type the same exact name of the video, and after the video I can write some prereqs, and after that I can insert the transcription. So what I'm going to do is to copy this video and paste it here, and let's just say to the people, to be fully transparent, this is a transcription. So of course I need to edit this kind of text to make it contextual to the blog, and say why am I sharing this on the blog. And let's get to another piece of content. So this way I can share the same exact video with the transcript on my blog. So now I have it on YouTube, now I have it on blog, and then I can get the video and paste it into ContentFries and let the ContentFries make the video more contextual to the platform I want to publish it on. So in this step, I want to publish this video on Facebook. So I want to put this little uh, place or space and this space beneath the video, and I want to put here the captions of the video and progress bar, of course, and I can edit it as I like. So if I want to any different headline, I can just put the headline here, but I'm going to left it as it was. So this video, as you can see, has the headline "How to publish English content as a non-native" and what it is all about. And this part is for transcription and the subtitles of the video, which will be hard-coded into the video after I export this. And after the transcription is done, I just need to fix some small typos in the transcription, and then I can export it. And I'm going to show you how it looks like on the Facebook, so you can see it for yourself. So it's facebook.com/ContentFries, and this is the third piece of content. So as you can see here, ContentFries, and this is very first video on the Facebook platform, and so we are just starting. And basically what I did was I fixed this transcript, small typos, and exported it, and then I have this content piece for Facebook. And one small advice or tip for you guys, if any of the people who likes that video aren't your Facebook fans, you can practically invite them and increase the count of your followers and fans of your Facebook page. So this is third piece of content, and now I can get the exact same piece of content and put it, let's just say, on the Instagram TV, for example. And as you can see, I have it here, so I don't forget it. And basically what you will be able to do as soon as we launch, you will be able to switch back and forth and between platforms. So you will have some Facebook icon here, then Instagram, LinkedIn, or any other platform you like to publish your video on. But for now, I need to change my scene height to comply with Instagram TV conditions, and scene width I let as is. And if I want, I can change the background color to make it a little bit different. And now I need to make some small adjustments to have it as I want, and this all will work automatically as soon as we launch, but let's just adjust it. And this is the headline, this is subheadline, and maybe this third. Somehow I am not able to click it, so at least you can see there are some places to improve these processes. And let's just say I want this text to be in white color, so I can give it white color. I can paste here the code of the color and make it, for example, bold. And I'm going to save this and let it just save. As you can see, I'm fully transparent here, so you will be able to see the progress of the development for yourself. I'm going to refresh the page, and hopefully then I'll be able to move this thing or click it or anything, but I'm not, unfortunately. So at least I can report some bug to the developer. And let's just uh, grab this progress bar and put it underneath the video, maybe in some different color, but I like this one. And this is the fourth content piece. Now I can export it, and I will export it. And basically I can hide this in on the Instagram, where I place some something over it to hide it practically, and I will send the message to the programmer to fix this stuff. And now it is exporting, as you can see. I see the progress. Now I can close this page, and I will be notified when it is completed. But I will let it do this job, and let's just continue in the content cycle. And the last piece of content I have here is practically the LinkedIn video. I think it can be the same as the Facebook one, but maybe with some adjustment in the description of the video. So I can go to LinkedIn, to my LinkedIn page, paste the video I exported for Facebook, and write some other description to it, so it will be a little bit different. So this is how I'm going to do 5 pieces of the main content. It's practically the same content, but with other descriptions and other format for Instagram TV. And now is the right time to make some other content pieces around it. As you can see, this video I'm sharing with you is practically documentation of my journey, and this is 6th part of content I'm going to share on YouTube, maybe on blog, in the text version, maybe some parts of it on Facebook page, maybe something of it on LinkedIn, etc. So this is how you can multiply the same content, but from other angles as you're making it, and so on. And then what I practically are doing is I want to publish a content on TikTok, and I need to be there, but I need to be there contextual to the platform. So practically I just writing some content ideas in this document, and then make it in advance. So I have content, and I can publish it when I want. And this is practically the content behind ContentFries, and this is the week 1. So this content cycle thing is going to change, and it's going to evolve, and my goal is to implement this whole strategy into ContentFries, so you don't need to create some other strategies for you. All you need to do is to adjust this strategy, so it's good for you also. And that's practically it. So this was the first video, and it's a little bit hard for me to record something like this because of my language barrier, but I will figure it out, and I believe the next content pieces will be better and better. So thank you guys for watching this, and have a wonderful day. Bye.